As a MiraCosta College Transfer Center intern, we want to make sure to echo the voice of MiraCosta College as a whole. As we see here on our public website, the message is both students and staff enjoy a friendly atmosphere and the feeling that we are all here to help one another. Our diverse student body includes people from a variety of ethnicities, cultural backgrounds, and ages. When we check out the stats, we see that we have a wide range of student demographics. We have an average age of 27 years old. We have students who are traditional students that have just finished high school. We have students who have taken large lapses in their education or are entering higher education, for the first time at a later age. We are a diverse community, and our messaging needs to reflect that diversity. And this is the reason that posts are often tailored to specific groups. And when we make a post, we may need to make several versions of it to accurately represent opportunities to students who will identify with the message in the posts. So when we say that, we look at something that is specific to a student. Here we have a post that is speaking to a student that has a family, that is requiring options that will enable them to feel confident approaching a UC, a Cal State, knowing that there are resources for family housing, that there are certain income opportunities for scholarships. When we see here somebody that's a STEM major, we want to make sure that the images are speaking to their interests. So the first thing will catch the student's eye, the image will do that. The language has to be able to continue that messaging and retain the attention of the student. When we have something here where there are the steps, this is something like the chronological tools and formulas of stories. We want to speak to first generation students. We want to speak to somebody who is artistic. We want to speak to somebody who is committed and driven to achieve their goals. We want to speak to young students and older students. It's really important for us to be a part of the community and to reflect the students. So to do that, we have to make sure that we are recognizing what the purpose of a post is. Whether it is for a workshop or it is for a resource, the message needs to reflect the students.